Let me show you how you can take an ordinary product from what you're seeing here to something that looks like a 1000 commercial in 5 minutes. Now, AI can do this for you perfectly, and the reason why you need to learn how to do this is so you can present your products in a more aesthetically pleasing way instead of just the random, static shots. Just use AI to transform it into something that looks like it was shot with cameras and shot in a high-end studio. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on the like button and let's get straight into it. So you can use Omni for this, but I'm going to be using Omni on Gemini, and so you can only access this on a pro account. I'm going to select video, and I'm going to pick the image or select the image I want to work with. So you click on this icon and then it takes me to my folder. So let's use this sneaker. Now, one thing I need you to know is you can also do this for free using Omni on Flow. There's a prompt I have here. I'm just going to paste the prompt and then it's going to transform it. Note you can access this prompt in my Telegram channel. I would leave the prompt there for you to make use of, and you can just tweak it to fit whatever it is you're creating. If you are someone who doesn't have a pro account, just type Google Flow, and Google Flow gives you 50 daily credits. Let me show you. Though this is a pro account, let me use a free account and show you that. So this is a free account and it gives 50 daily credits. So I've exhausted 30 credits. That's why I'm having 20 credits left. So you can use your free account to create this. Though using the Omni plan, you only get 3 generations. But I think that's actually fine. So you can try this out and just use it to transform products. And I had to create all the images I wanted to use. I created the images here and now I'm going to be transforming them. Let's see if we can do transform one here, because I know sometimes Flow can be really funny with all the violations and the rest. You select video, then you select Omni Flash, and then you paste the prompt. So it's going to transform that image of yours into something perfect. Understand? See, okay, this is one thing about Flow. It's always rejecting prompts. That's one thing that can be very bad with Flow. But you can still copy the prompt and take it to any of your video generator, maybe Grok and the rest of that. So our video is ready. Let's play. See, it took it from this. You can see all the shots, you can see all the angles. Let's try another product. We'll click on the plus icon, click on create video, then select the image. So let's use this jar of cookies. We'll paste the prompts and then we'll click on create. Okay, our video is ready. Just simple, short, and straight to the point. Okay, and if you want to download on Omni, there's a download icon that shows here. I'll just download, and because I have the erase your watermark remover, it's going to remove the watermark of Omni. I taught you how to remove the watermarks in one of my videos. So I'll click on this and let's try another product. So let's click on create video. We're still going to add another product. Now let's use this shea butter. Then we'll paste the prompt. Hope you've liked this video and hope you've subscribed to my channel. Try this out. So this is exactly how you can get different shots. This is how you can make your products look like it was shot in a sleek studio. Now if you want to change the setting, let's just say you don't like the setting, you can also tweak the prompt and add that, like you want it to completely change the setting for you. Let's try it with another video. So click on the plus icon. Click on create video, then add an image. Though I like the setting of this one though, but let me just still add it. Completely change the setting. Now you might be asking, how can you monetize this? Now there are a lot of brands out there on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook. They don't know how to take the right angles. They don't know how to present their products in a way that makes it look that makes you want to buy immediately. So with this particular prompt, you can even start a a video creation service for products. All they have to do is give you their products. You can even take, but you okay to make it better. You take different shots of the product. Let's say you're dealing with a product that has different sides. You can take the front part, the back part, so you get every detail. You can take the side shots, the take all shots, then you upload the images. You can upload many images into Omni, by the way. You upload the images and then you paste this prompt. So AI is going to use those images you pasted or those images you added to create something that looks outstanding for you. So you saved business owners the stress of having to take, multiple shots of their product. Some of them do not have that time. Some of them do not even have that strength. Yes. So you see this when I said change the setting, and this is exactly what it did for us. Let's play again. It's as easy as this. And then you download. So you see, it's very easy. The prompt will be my Telegram channel. And if you want to have access to a book that has over 50 different prompts you can use to edit your images, you can use to edit your products, get this on my seller store. The book is there on sale. I'm just going to leave the link in the comment section and you can access this ultimate video editing prompt library. See, the beautiful thing about this is you just have to copy the prompts and then you add your images and you can use it in Omni, you can use it in Grok, you can use it in Sedans. It gives you perfect results. So you know you're getting nothing but top-notch value. So by the way, like this video once again, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.